Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy. I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making rice porridge. I'll be making rice porridge, nice Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, it's a breakfast, but you could drink this or eat this any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whatever floats your boat. Okay. If you're only returning back to my channel, you don't know, say awesome. You are awesome. Thank you for turning back to all this fluffiness. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining the fluffiness. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification. I know you've been coming back watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet. What you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, okay? So you can get, just hit it, just hit it. All right, guys, make sure you guys check out my other videos, share them, tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, tell a friend to check me out. Let's grow together, okay? Let's grow together. Without further ado, whoop. Also, guys, make sure you guys follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Everything will be in the description down below. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty, guys. So, what you're gonna need to make this rice porridge, you need some rice. I'm using jasmine rice. There you go. You can use whatever. You can use whatever rice you have in your cabinet. It doesn't matter at all. You need some sugar. I'm using white sugar. Please use white sugar. Don't use brown sugar. Not for this recipe. But if you do have brown sugar, you can still use it. Sugar. You hear what I'm saying? So you're gonna also need some cinnamon. And you're gonna need some vanilla extract. And you need some sweetened condensed milk. Yes. I already used some of this for something else. So there you go. Y'all can see the inside. That's how milk look. Condensed milk. You need some salt to flavor up the pot. And you need some milk. Oh yeah, I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want to. But I'm working with almond milk, always. I'm just going to use 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice. I'm not making that much. So 1 cup. I already got my water over here. Y'all could probably see half of it. I'm going to come over here and show y'all. Okay. Let's get this thing together. Alright, guys. So I have my water boiling a little bit. I'm going to go in with the salt. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here, just to help flavor up the food and bring this water to a boil. Just a little bit. So for the water, I'm using 4 cups right now. Usually, when you make 1 cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. I can't tell you how many times I have to repeat this. So, so instead of using 2 cups, we're gonna use 4 because we want that porridge ting. You want the ting to pop up. So I'm gonna go with my rice. This is good enough. It doesn't have to be completely boiling. So I just rinse my rice a little bit. Honestly, I don't even think you have to rinse jasmine rice. I don't even know. I don't think, because I read somewhere you don't have to rinse it. But get that one rinse real quick, you know. So right now I got 4 cups of water and 1 cup of water. 1 cup of rice. Pardon me. Excuse my French. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this up. I'm gonna let the rice get softened. Cause nobody don't want tough rice, okay? I'm gonna let the rice soften up about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna go in with the rest of the ingredients. See? Pretty much done. Everything else is just like I put it in and then the thing done. The Sue come back. Yes. Alright guys, so it's been about 20-25 minutes and the rice is fully cooked. See, nice and soft. I cooked it on medium high. I'm gonna cut the temp to medium low now. I'm gonna go in with my milk. See that little pan up? Yes. Let me get y'all more up in this pot. Alright. So I'm gonna go in with about 2 cups or 1.5 cups of milk. I'm just gonna eyeball this. Yes. Oh yeah. Ooh. If you have coconut milk, you can add coconut milk in this, but I don't have none. So I'm just using regular, not so regular. I'm just using almond milk. So I'm gonna add some of my cinnamon powder in here. Not too much. And I'm gonna add my vanilla. Oh, yes. Yes. Yo, the rice smell good. Then you add the vanilla and the cinnamon in there. Just takes it to a whole nother level. Woo. Golly, that man. I haven't had rice porridge in so long. What's eating ya? For all of y'all that didn't know y'all could do this with rice, now you know. Now you know. You know the options are limitless. You can do whatever you want with your rice. Oh man, this smells so good. See that? Mmm. Yes. I'm gonna just mix this around. And I'm gonna go with about 2 spoons of this. 2 spoons of this with sugar. Alright. Alright, so yeah. Just mix this around. I'm gonna add my condensed milk last. I'm gonna save that for last. Oh, just mix this around. I'm gonna cover it up. Just cover it up about 5 minutes. When I come back, I'm gonna add the sugar and then the condensed milk. And then it done. The thing done. Take that quick. Not take long at all. Watch it. Bubble. You see that bubble there? Let me show you. Bubble, yalla, bubble. Bubble. Yo, that thing they look good. Can't wait for try it. Yeah man, so come back. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go with my sugar. So this is gonna be about half cup of sugar. Not too much because remember you're gonna add your condensed milk. You don't want it to be too sweet. So I just cut my temp down to medium low, or you can cut it down to low all the way. That's pretty much finished. Pretty much done. So I'm just mix the sugar in. Yo. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and share this video, guys. Share this video and check out my other videos as well, because you are awesome. Yo, that porridge look nice, you know? Dang. Dang, girl. Dangerous. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just cut my temp off, add my condensed milk, and it done. Done. Repeat after me. It done. It is finished. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna cut this off. They got different brands of condensed milk. You don't have to use this brand. You can use whatever brand you'll find at your grocery store or whatever brand you like. You can use that. You can also add evaporated milk if you have that. As long as the thing says milk, you can use it. Okay. Oh, that's good enough. Look at the swirl. I love adding condensed milk, and the color just changed so beautifully. Oh, you see that? Yes, you definitely need to add the condensed milk. The thing look turned up. No, thing look like heaven on earth. Damn, oh. Guys, you can eat this for breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can use it for whatever, but this is mostly a breakfast item. But you can eat it for anything. Oh man, this looks so good. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna taste it for y'all and then that's it. Yo, thing turn up. Alrighty, so come back.
Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Woo.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste it for y'all, okay? I'm gonna taste it just for y'all. Okay, alright, let's take a look inside. There you go. There you go. This is how we do it. This is how I did it as a youngster. You eat from the top. Why this light so? Eat from the top where it's not so hot. Okay, because you don't want to burn up yourself, but you want to eat your food right. So, ooh. There you go. This lighting is too much. Too much. So you take from the top. There you go. Good old days, man. Good old days. Growing up, like after breakfast, after the breakfast done cook, all of us kids would go outside and sit on the rock stone them and eat breakfast. That's a la familia. Okay? Good old days. Nobody sit inside. Alright guys, so that's it. Bomb. Delicious. Delicioso. Yep. That thing they sell off. So make sure you guys try it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.